To start a half double crochet back post using it in the beginning, you want to chain 2, and that usually doesn't count as a double crochet. So the very first post is where you want to operate. So you're just gonna wrap the hook first, coming from behind, coming around the outside of it, and then back to the outside on the other side. So pull through and pull through all 3. So it's a half double crochet as normal, you're just wrapping it at a different spot. So the next post is where you want to advance to, so wrapping, coming from the behind, come between the posts, and then back out the other side. And then pull through and pull through all 3. Wrap, in, and back out. So wrap, in, back out. And you want to continue to do that all the way down. So the only one that you really got to pay attention to is the very end. Now usually if it's half double crochet and it's in a back post like this, the last stitch will be a single crochet to keep the balance of the height. Again, your pattern will tell you otherwise. So if that's the case in your turning chain, the very last stitch will be a single crochet right into the turning chain, and then you'll begin all over again. So to begin the next one, you're going to then apply chain 2 to start, and then you'll immediately come into the very first one. So it's just right below. So going in and then pull through, staying to the back side of it. I'm gonna try that one more time. So just coming, wrapping it and coming around the outside and into that first one. Half double crochets in the posts are kind of a little more trickier than normal. Usually we see it a lot in double crochets and stuff, but sometimes is used, and I have seen it used. So once you get that first one in, so wrap and coming into the next one, and this is creating the ridges to appear on this side of the work. And so you may see these kind of ideas in collars and ribbing and etc. like that, in hats and even cuffs. So this is how you would do a half double crochet in the back post. You can see it's a little, I'm fussing a little bit more than normal. It's not used all the time, but it is a stitch you should know, just in case you'd like to advance your skills a little further. So this would be a half double crochet in the back post.